this video, we will show you how to replace the steering stabilizer on a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Begin by unboxing the steering stabilizer kit. Inside the package, you'll find the stabilizer, the mounting bracket, all the necessary hardware, as well as the brand brochure, product precautions, and product logo. Here are the tools you'll need for this installation: a large torque wrench, an electric impact, an 18mm ratcheting wrench, a 15mm wrench, and a 13mm wrench. You'll also need a 21, 15, and 13mm deep socket, as well as a shallow 18. A transmission jack may be helpful to support the front axle. Start by raising the vehicle safely. Use the 18mm ratcheting wrench to remove the steering stabilizer mounting bolt. On the opposite side, using the same wrench, remove the fixing nut. To fully remove the stock stabilizer, support the front of the axle using a transmission jack or a floor jack. Next, using your 21mm socket on impact, remove the bolt securing the track bar to the front axle. Take the supplied mounting bracket and position it at the track bar mounting location. Align the holes to confirm proper fitment. Insert the smaller supplied bolt with a washer, and then install the nut on the inside. Using a 21mm deep socket, tighten the bolt into place. Reinstall the factory stock nut behind the bolt. Using a torque wrench with your 21mm socket, torque the track bar mounting bolt to 150 Nm. Next, using a 13mm wrench and a 13mm socket, tighten the locking bolts on the steering stabilizer. Next, loosen the mounting bolt on top of the tie rod using a 15mm deep socket. Do not fully remove it. At this point, we can compare the factory stabilizer to the new upgraded unit. After suspension upgrades, the original dampening force may not be sufficient. At higher speeds, this can contribute to steering instability and death wobble. The upgraded stabilizer provides stronger dampening performance. Before installation, install the bushings into the new stabilizer. Apply a small amount of lubricant if needed to ease installation. Flip the bracket above the tie rod upward and position the new steering stabilizer in place. Now you can install the nut. Next, connect the stabilizer to the mounting bracket near the hub. Make sure to insert the bolt from the top downward, install a washer, and then thread on the nut underneath. Using a 19mm wrench with an 18mm shallow socket, tighten the bolt and nut securing the stabilizer to the bracket. Then use the 18mm socket again to tighten the nut on the other end of the stabilizer. Use a 15mm deep socket to tighten the upper tie rod mounting bolt. Before final torque, adjust the steering stabilizer so it sits parallel to the axle and the tie rod. Once everything's aligned, torque the stabilizer locking nuts to 80 Nm using a torque wrench with an 18 Nm socket and a 19 Nm wrench. Then, use a 15mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the upper tie rod bracket mounting nut to 80 Nm. Now you can lower the transmission jack and lower the vehicle, and the steering stabilizer upgrade is now complete.